Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yesterday we have done 3 blocks, no? One movable pulley. Actually, the
Yes,
last
sir.
problem is 3 blocks, 3 pulleys, 2 blocks, 2 pulleys. What we have done last problem? Yesterday we have done 2 blocks, 2 pulleys, 3 blocks, 3 pulleys.
Sir, 3 blocks, 3 pulleys, sir.
Right. Now let's go ahead with the further discussion of this. See, suppose this is one pulley. Another method, underline. Suppose this pulley moves like this, and this end A moves with XA. Okay. This end B moves like this. You're able to follow or not? I'm taking an example that there are 2 pulleys. There is a single pulley. The pulley is moving. Understood what I'm saying? The pulley itself is moving down. Say it is connected through a lift. The ceiling of a lift, the lift is moving down. Understood this? Suppose it is moving like this. Then these 2 points will move with same thing, no? Remember? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then left side, what is the change in length, man? L1. Because of this motion of A, it increases, motion of B decreases. Right side, XB. Original length is this. Do you agree with this or not? String length remains constant, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what you have here? You have XA to XP. So what is XP? If you differentiate this, this is nothing but VA plus VB. If you differentiate this, so you can say that acceleration of A plus acceleration of B is by 2. This is acceleration of pulley. Do you agree with this? Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No.
That means remember this pulley, whenever it moves down, this is motion of pulley, or you can directly write acceleration of pulley. then AP is nothing but this will help you in many cases. Okay. Now suppose you are having a situation this is a motion of pulley, this is A1, this is A2. Then what you have? See, both are in the same direction, no? So you will take the same sign. This is opposite to this. So you have to take. Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have taken negative sign just because it is opposite. Now on the other hand, you have a situation wherein sometimes one end, say this is fixed like this end is moving. Pulley is also moving. Then what you will write? Because the other end is not moving now. Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir. So no doubt, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Sir.
Hello?
Completed, sir.
Now, we have done some problems earlier. We will see. We'll analyze the same problems by this method. How many methods already you learned?
2.
This is the third method, no? See, usually we will do it by this method. So suppose this comes down by XA. This has to move up, no? So this also has to move up or not? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
See here, when this moves up like this, consider this pulley man. We show that pulley separately. Actually, if you have little bit of hands-on experience, you need not draw separately. Directly you can tell. But here, because you're a novice, a beginner, so let us draw this separately. XA. This is the other part, no? XP. Now, this zero, this pulley is not moving, no? Is XA minus XP by 2. Do you agree with this? Any doubt is there in this?
No, sir.
So here XA equals XP. Means whatever speed it goes, it rises with the same speed. Understood this?
Understood, sir. Understood.
Now come back to this. This is hang XP. This is velocity is 0, no? When this comes like this, all points should have same displacement, no? So this is also having XA or not? So
Yes,
what
sir.
is XP equals XA plus 0 by 2. Do you agree with this? So XA is 2XP. This is nothing but displacement of this one, you know. Do you agree with this?
Sir, excuse me,
Yes,
sir. I
sir.
didn't understand one thing, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, in first thing, sir, C0 equal to XA minus XP by 2. Sir,
Hmm.
how we are getting C0, sir?
This is not moving, no? This is fixed, no?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Understood.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No, sir. This part is clear.
Will I turn this?
1 minute.
Sir.
Shall I turn this?
Minutes. Yes, sir. Completed.
Suppose we can do this. See, suppose this comes down. This point is there now. This point, that means this other point may go up like this. I'll call it as some x1. Okay, this is xb. Do you agree with this? So if you take like, if this point goes like this, also has to go up like this now. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now for the left pulley, same thing you will get. This is fixed now. Acceleration is 0. For this pulley, the points acceleration I am showing. Now tell what will have 0 equals xa minus x1
Minus
by 2.
1/2.
So this is nothing but xa equals x1. So that is what we got previously also. This point also same velocity. Now come back to this. This movable pulley. This is having x1. This is having x1. Okay. This pulley, okay, this whatever it is, this moves with the same distance now. These two, this moves this will also move like this. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
For this pulley. This will have what? Agreed.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
No, this is not moving. This end is not moving. Fixed now. This is fixed now. This end, see,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
draw once again. This has two ends. One end we got x1. This end is having 0 velocity. Fixed now. Agreed? Same thing you got, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just allot the velocities of the ends. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, here pulley is not moving.
This pulley is not, this is moving, this is not moving, no? Clear?
Sir, I'm not understanding that in one case we took pulley is moving and in another case pulley is.
Man, this pulley, it's not, we do not, it's not that we can take as we like, man. This pulley, is it moving?
Now it is not moving, sir.
Huh?
In this case, I think it is not moving.
Pardon?
Sir, it is not moving now, sir.
It's not moving, I took that only. This pulley is movable, it is fixed to the ceiling, no?
Yes, sir.
That's why I've taken acceleration as 0. So this is movable. This whatever pulley moves, the same distance also moves, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood there?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Shall I turn this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
We'll take another example. Follow careful again. This is one pulley. See, this is fixed to the ceiling. Suppose we have a system like this. Understood this? These two pulleys are fixed. Okay. There are three pulleys are there in this. What are those? One is this pulley. This is the second pulley. This is third pulley. Out of this, which pulleys are fixed? 1 and 3 are fixed now.
Yes, sir.
Now let
Yes,
us
sir.
allot. So the usual procedure is, we will assume that this is XA. Suppose this goes up. This also goes up. This is an assumption only, you can assume in any way. This comes down. Agreed. Say here, we'll allot when this comes down. This is having, say, some X or some M, something, some point, XM. This is N, you have XN. Do you agree with this? Any doubt is
Yes,
there?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
We are only allotting the velocity displacement to each pulley. Is it clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'll draw for
Sir.
each pulley. First pulley is this. pulley 1. This is fixed. You are having, this is one end, this is the other end. This is what we have taken XM. This end goes up with XA. So what you have?
XM, XM.
XA equals XM. Do you agree with this? Come
Yes,
back
sir.
to the pulley 2. This is second pulley. There are 2 points over here. This is XN. This is XM. When this has XB, this also has XB now. Okay. XM is nothing but XA only, no? Follow this? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now come back to this end. The third pulley. This is the second. This is third pulley. This is fixed. Zero equals so from these two, what you can have? If you differentiate this, again differentiate this. Any doubt is that till here?
Sir, in the first one,
Hmm.
XA is going upwards, sir, but you
Yes.
took XM negative.
XM. MM, this one.
Sir, but is it increasing now, sir? It will be positive.
What is increasing? There's
XM,
nothing increasing here. Again, you're mixing two concepts. Here you are not taking increasing, decreasing. I'm just allotting. Suppose this point moves up, moves down. This is moves down. Each point of the string, how do they move up? I assumed. Agreed.
Okay, sir.
So what I got is when this goes up, obviously this point comes down, no?
Yes,
sir.
That is what
Yes,
I
sir.
taken. You're mixing 2, 3 concepts, man. The problem is that head of human being, body of buffalo, tail of something else. So hybrid concepts will come. Length of the string. Now the same problem I will do, by that length of the string remains constant. Same problem I will do. Okay? Then you'll be having some. This is one method, pulley motion. Considering the motion of the pulley.
Means this is another method to solve this problem, sir.
Pardon?
This is another method to solve this problem.
Yes, yes. Not this problem, any problem. A screwdriver is there. This is useful for opening screws. A wrench is there, useful to open bolt. Now you cannot use screwdriver to open bolt or wrench to open the screw now. Like that, there's some method. Each method is one tool. Which tool to use to open a particular problem depends upon your efficiency. So first thing you should know what the tool is. So our responsibility is to make you to introduce all the tools available at your, in your syllabus. and we'll show some applications, how to open that and all. It is up to you to gain the proficiency. The perfect workmanship will come only if you go on opening many screws, that is by doing many problems. Understood this? Nobody can claim the same problem will come. But once you do all these assignments and all, you are on par with all the next level students. So the chances of getting a better rank are high. Okay. Note on this.
Yes, sir. Read it, sir.
Okay, don't you know? అదే లాస్ట్ తర్వాత హలో shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll use the previous learned tools to open this problem. Okay, we'll do the same problem by applying. Now our assumptions in the previous one is it goes up, this comes down. Now we are having the other method demands that identify the strings. This is string 1. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
After that, let us identify this. L1. When it goes up, this is fixed point on, this is not moving. This portion of the string, this is going, it decreases or not?
Yes, sir.
Plus, this string is there.
L2
This
plus X
string,
big
it is going down. Okay?
plus X big.
Do you agree with this?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the initial length now. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes,
Same
sir.
thing you got?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, we already did this method.
Yes, man. I'm telling the same method if you apply. I taught you 3 methods now. I'm applying the 3 methods. So this, some people are thinking that half of that they are saying. This is previous method, the pulley motion method, we are not considering the length of the string. In this, remember, there is no question of length of the string in this method. I am just assigning that this point moves, this point moves, this goes up, this goes up. Some people are thinking if this is length of the string is here, we are not considering the lengths only. Understood this?
Yes,
Here
sir.
we are considering only motion of the end points of the string. For this,
Followed, sir.
understood?
Followed.
Understood the difference between these two?
Yes, sir.
And one more method, I think, length of the, shall I turn this?
YS.
Yes, sir. Length
That
from
YA, YB allotment, you know that, no?
Yes, sir.
if you practice
Right.
means
Pardon?
if you do that question in that if you do this question in that method means it will be useful, sir. Can you please do in that method also fixed length?
Sir, video got stuck.
Yes, sir. Video was
I think
Sufyan, would you allow screen sharing?
Hello,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
the power problem. Now you're able to see now.
No,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Blur.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Blur, ah?
Blur
It's not clear, huh?
No, sir.
Adjustable, sir.
Okay. Now, there only.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we
Yeah.
can adjust it, sir.
Okay. Well, it's already a known method now. At least to some extent you can see now. It's a known method.
Yes, sir.
Video again got stuck, sir.
Stuck, sir.
Now there, that method, what I said, the other method, what we
Yeah,
learned
unable to
is,
see. Sir, bandwidth is low, sir. Network bandwidth.
one second.
Now clear.
Now, any possibility is there?
Yes, sir. Now we can.
Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
One
Now clear,
second.
sir.
Now it's clear? Hello?
Now it is
No,
not
sir.
clear, sir.
Now it is clear or no?
Bandwidth is low, sir.
No, sir.
Still bandwidth is low.
Yes, sir.
Little before it was clear, but now
Hmm?
little just before it was clear.
Sir, now somewhat clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Somewhat clear.
clear, sir. You tell old method.
Right. Now what we'll do now? See here that method involves we should allot distances. Say for example, I'll take one line which is all these points are not moving now. One line I'll fix up. I'll take this as YA. For every moving body, I'll give this is YP. YP is nothing but same as pulley only, YP only, no? Now length of the string is constant. This is YA. Agreed. This is how much? 2YP, YP, no?
Yes,
Plus
sir.
YC is constant. That is what I have done. After that, I differentiated this. Now, when what is that we assume? We have made an assumption that no, to get the same answer, I'm getting this, I'm taking the direction. Now, what will be positive? YP will be positive, these are negative now,
Yes, sir.
because lengths are decreasing now. Agreed. So, what you have
Yes, sir.
here, taking sign into consideration. So, this is do you agree with this? You
Yes,
got
sir.
the same thing earlier or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Follow this.
Followed, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the fourth method I am telling, fourth method. This fourth method involves like this. See, hello? Now, what is that assumption we have taken? This moves like this, this moves like this moves like this. Am I right or not?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
The fourth method simply involves like this. See, find the dot product of tension and the displacement x. And sum of all this, you make it to 0. Okay? Why I'll tell later. Now here, what is this? Tension is this side now. So tell what you'll have T xa cos 0. For this, can you tell for this block? This is T, this is T. This moves up, this moves down, no? Plus 2T
2t cos
XB cos 180
180
plus this is TC XC cos
cos
the. Do you get or not?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right?
Yes.
Sir, why are we taking cost, sir?
Dot product. What is dot product, man? At the end. Dot product you forgot. A dot B.
ab cos theta.
What is this, man? IIT student, huh? A dot B. Remember?
Remember.
Mod A mod B into cos theta. అది సేమ్ అదని తెలుసులే పడలే ఇవాళ ఆగిద్దా అంత అవసరం కదా ఉంది కదా అది కొట్టుకుని అంతా అంత ఏం పడదు You got the same result what you got earlier. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got sir.
So now you can see the tension. Tension is same string, no? Whole string is same only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have TXA, 2TXB, TXC minus will be there here. That means XA minus 2XB plus XC is 0. What are this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now, the 4 methods you have perfection, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Shall I turn this?
Minutes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll take another one and apply this method so that you'll get some confidence. One method is enough, that is the general feeling you'll have. But sometimes alternate methods will help you to solve. So this is A1. Let us assume like this. This moves like this. This moves like this. This moves like this. Okay. Any method you can do. For example, suppose this is some x1. This is x2. This is x3. Now length of the string is constant now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
First method is this. Now this gives you, this is positive and negative. As this goes on, x1 decreases and increases. Observe this, decreases. This will increase, no? What will be this? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
This will again
Negative.
decrease.
Negative.
This is minus C1.
Sir, minus V2.
Minus V2.
Follow this method. First method is this.
Yes, sir.
Next, I'll just quickly do all the four methods. This is what we have now. Now, what is the second method? This length L1 decreases by x1. This length L2 decreases by x2. Do you agree with this? Plus this length initially
L3 L3 increases.
followed.
Yes, sir.
Got the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Got or not?
Yes, sir. Same.
Shall I try on this?
1 minute, sir. Sir,
Tell.
these methods are useful only for inextensible string, na, sir.
Yes.
How should we do for extensible string?
That is the problem. You are unable to drink water, you think about drinking wine. How it is possible? First, you have one perfection for this man. Then we will go to that. There is a separate chapter called elasticity. There you learn. Understood this?
Yes,
First,
sir.
inextensible have a proficiency. Then, chapter wise, we learn. Now, massless pulley we are considering. What happens if mass is there? There is no friction we are taking. Next friction will come. One by one we will learn now.
Yes, sir.
You will think all at a time and you won't do. You want to write a novel, but you don't know the alphabet. How difficult it will be. But methods will do one by one, one by one. Wait. Now this is there now. Suppose this comes by this. This is x1 means this is a string also goes extensible, inextensible, it go like this now. This moves like this also should move like this now. Do you agree with this? Whereas pulley is moving like this now. So for this pulley, we are having x1, this is x2, x3. Now what you have here, x3 for the pulley is, remember this? Now you can see which is, in this case, which is easier. This is easier now. Actually, orally you can write. Each method depends upon the situation. You can see the length will be changing. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
The last one, last method I'll do here. We will do up to Einstein's theory. You don't worry. Everything in physics we will learn. Extensible, what happens, all that we'll discuss, right? The problem is, only theory means I can finish. Entire paper you have only numericals. You won't see a single question advanced or mains. Okay, anyhow, which has only theory. All are numericals. Let us come back to this. Tension. This is tension, same string, same string, same string, same string. No? Do you agree with this? Now here can, for the same string, T x1 cos 0, T x2 cos 0. This is coming down now. This is x1, x2, x3 plus tell 2t x3 cos 180. So tx1 plus tx2 minus 2t x3 is 0. So what does this give? 2x3 equals x1 plus x2. Differentiating once again, what is it you get?
Same answer.
Understood
Yes,
the
sir.
four methods?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now next time when a problem comes, I'll use any of these methods according to my wish. You want, you do your way. But again, don't ask how did you get this. And don't mix this with this, this with this, this with this. If you have any doubt, you can ask, but don't mix.
Yes, sir.
So now once you know, now you'll be doing problems with multiple pulleys and multiple blocks. So you have to have an interrelation between these two. For that reason, we need these relations. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right then. We'll meet tomorrow then. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
We have maths class at 11 now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Right. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Excuse me, sir.
One doubt.
Yeah?
You asked the doubt, man.
Yeah, that only. This last rightmost diagram, no? In that
Yeah.
why it comes down as x1, why it is not coming down as x3? That is my question. That
See,
bit,
according to M1, X1 is going towards right. So this string will come down now from the pulley.
no, I am asking it should come by x3, no? This rightmost diagram.
भाई
Yeah,
जितना
understood.
M1 आगे जाएगा उतना ही X1 भी
Uh,
नीचे को आएगा.
I understood it. X3 it should be come down by X3 you're saying.
Yeah, that
Hello.
x1 and x3 should run no downward. Why it is not coming by x3? That is my question.
See, it will come by X3 also, but if we take the X3, then we won't get X3 is equals to X3 plus X3 by 2. So X3 by 2, again X3 is equals to X3.
Yeah.
सही बोल.
If, but it is also coming down by X1 and X2 also. If we take that, then we get the relation between the expression of 3, 1 and 2.
Okay. Understood, Abra. Abra, no?
No, Shoaib.
Sure, okay. Sure, thanks. Thank you. Understood.
Welcome. सर मीटिंग एंड कर दो.